Do you know your liver could be screaming for help right now? That's right, our liver, a powerhouse organ, is often overlooked despite its crucial role in our body's overall functioning. It's a tireless worker, processing everything we eat and drink, filtering harmful substances and aiding in digestion. Yet, it's a silent soldier. Often, liver damage slips under our radar because it doesn't present obvious symptoms in the early stages. It's like that quiet classmate in the back of the room, quietly struggling but never raising a hand for help. Liver disease is a silent epidemic, affecting millions worldwide. It's a ticking time bomb, quietly escalating until it's too late. But don't fret, prevention is possible. Understanding your liver, recognizing its importance, and knowing the potential threats it faces is the first step towards liver health. Remember, it's not just about treating a sick liver, but about nurturing a healthy one. In order to keep our liver healthy, we must remain vigilant and aware of the warning signs of liver damage. So, what are these warning signs you should be keeping an eye out for? First up, we have fatigue. This isn't just feeling tired after a long day, but a persistent, unexplained exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. The liver plays a critical role in energy production, so if it's not working properly, you might find yourself feeling worn out more often than not. Next is jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes. This happens when the liver isn't able to process a substance called bilirubin. When bilirubin builds up in the body, it can lead to this telltale yellow hue. Then, there's dark urine. Now, urine can change color for a lot of reasons, but if it's consistently dark or brown, it could be a sign that your liver isn't effectively removing toxins from your body. Abdominal pain is another sign to watch out for. The liver is located on the right side of your abdomen, so pain or discomfort in this area could indicate that something's up. Swollen legs aren't just a sign of a long flight. They could also be a symptom of liver disease. The liver produces a protein that helps prevent fluid buildup in the body. If it's not doing its job, fluid can accumulate, leading to swelling. Finally, abnormal bruising. The liver produces proteins necessary for blood clotting. If it's damaged, it may not make enough of these proteins, leading to easy bruising. These are just a few examples of how your body might be telling you that something's not quite right with your liver. Remember, these symptoms could be signs of other health issues too, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing any of them. Don't wait until it's too late. Listen to your body, it knows when something's wrong. And that wraps up our list of warning signs. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, please don't ignore them. Seek medical advice immediately. These are just a few examples of how your body might be telling you that something's not quite right with your liver. Recognizing these signs is the first step in taking control of your liver health. It's crucial to understand that these warning signs are not just mere discomforts to be brushed aside. They are your body's way of communicating that something isn't quite right. Seeking medical advice immediately upon noticing any of these signs can be a game changer. The benefits of early detection and treatment are immense. It can prevent further damage, reduce complications, and significantly improve your quality of life. On the flip side, neglecting your liver health could lead to grave consequences. From chronic diseases to life-threatening conditions, the risks are too high to ignore. Remember, your liver is one of your body's most vital organs. It works tirelessly to detoxify your body, aid in digestion, and maintain your energy levels. So if any of these signs sound familiar to you, don't wait. Reach out to your healthcare professional today. Your liver will thank you.